What's going on, guys? Patrick here. This is too funny. Let's do it again. Yeah. Don't stop it. Hold on, watch this. Keep a straight face, don't laugh. What's going on, guys? Patrick here. One more time. All right. Oh, here we go. I got it. Oh, hey guys. Patrick here with the Window Tinting Business. And today we're going to be using Solar Gard's brand new Endeavor film. They totally fulfilled the lineup. Now you have a good, better, best premium lineup here. So this is actually the first time we're going to be using the Endeavor film. So I wanted to hand cut it and kind of feel it out and give you my thoughts and impressions on it here. So we're going to go ahead and hand cut this. Have the film ready. I believe this is a newer Telluride. So right off the bat, it does feel a little bit more firm than it did on the Solstice. The Solstice always felt a little funny to me, a little light. They swear it's 1.5 mil, but it feels a little 1 milli to me. Super excited about this lineup being added on. For the longest time, we pretty much only ran with Solstice and Vortex. We don't really do Zenith, and I'll go into that, the reasons for that in a future video. But I think the Vortex is a little more value enhanced, especially for the dealer and the price. Vortex is good. I mean, Zenith is good when you're in those higher VLTs, those 50s and 70s. But when you get down to the lower VLTs, the 30s and the 15s, you're only talking about a couple percentages. So I don't really see the reason to spend 50% more for only 3% boost. I just keep falling on me. So the Endeavor lineup just rounds it out, and now we have 3 offerings: a good, better, best, and we don't have to really worry about trying to play games. We'll raise the price a little bit and then drop it down a little bit, just so they feel like they got something out of it. So super excited about it. It does feel good. It feels like a standard film. Nothing too crazy. Obviously, I just don't throw film around all over the place all the time. I'm just running and gunning right now. So I am going to be bottom loading, not top loading, so I don't really need a shrink. I prefer bottom loading. So let's get this cleaned up real quick. I'm really curious how the adhesive is going to interact and such. That's the hard part about Solstice, is that, because like I said, it does feel like a thinner film. Sometimes you just don't have that girth. You're trying to slide the film in, and it maybe it catches a little bit, or maybe because it feels a little bit thinner, it just doesn't slide very well. So I'm really excited about this. All right, we're ready to go. Let's see if the knife trick works. We're at my buddy Logan's shop. Whenever we do mobile stuff and my clients don't have a garage, I go to different shops and just offer them a percentage of the take. So trying to get that off with the knife was just a little bit difficult. It does feel a little bit more tackier as you're pulling the liner off. I can definitely feel, oh, what am I doing? I can definitely feel it. I'm usually having a little bit of a heavier slip, so I'm confident that we're gonna be just fine. Oh yeah. Sliding nicely. Very nice. So this is a good example of how good this film slides, because these Tellurides, they do have a little bit to go in the back before you get behind the pillar here. Not horrible, not horrible. Perfect. These videos are actually a little bit more fun because usually I'm trying to like fill the silence with instructions. Changing it up a little bit. So this is Endeavor's 15%. In Florida, it's a pretty standard shade. Shade we're going to be using majority of the time. All right. Let's take a look. Little moisture. No, I think we got a winner here. Yeah, it's not a pain in the butt to work with. You can hand cut it. It's got a little bit of rigidity to it, more than the Solstice, not as much as the Vortex, because the Vortex is a 2 mil film. So yeah, super excited. I'm definitely adding this to the lineup. It's already added to my lineup. So if you're a Solar Gard dealer and you had Solstice and Vortex or Zenith or whatever, I definitely recommend getting the Endeavor. It's going to kind of round out your offerings, and you don't have to play like the shell game when you're like, oh, charge a little bit more and then give them a discount so they feel value. You have a full lineup. If they can't afford the high-end stuff, it's okay. You have more further down the trough that you can offer them so you can fit most budgets. I like doing that. I don't like to fit everyone's budget because then you get crap clients. I mean, let's just call it what it is, right? So we want to kind of avoid that, and I think this is going to be a winner. So if you guys are Solar Gard dealers, go ahead and get you some. Call your rep. This is not a sponsored video. It's a new film, and I wanted to try it. So hope you guys like this video. If you have any questions, comment, and we'll talk later.